Installers and auto electricians, listen up. I'm Matt Thornton, General Manager here at Parksafe Group, and today I'm going to tell you about our Approved Installer Days. Our Approved Installer Days are opportunities for you to gain training, accreditation and have work pushed your way. Let me tell you a bit more about this. Myself and the team here at Parksafe Group, as well as Jason McComb at the AVI, will be hosting these events across the UK. We will be providing training on industry standards and general install guidance, followed by specialist training on installing Parksafe Group equipment to a high standard. And the best part? The fee you pay to attend will be transferred to credit on your account, so you're getting all this at no extra cost. And now I'm going to hand you over to our Operations Director, Pete Houghton, for the further details.
Thanks, Matt. Yes, we'd love to invite you in for the exclusive Installer Day. There's a few things that we're going to go through on the day which are, let's say, be of interest of you. You're going to see some of the new innovative products that we've got. You'll get to see the commissioning processes. You'll talk tech for the day, really, of what's in the market, where we're going, and some other things that's going on within our business. Lastly, there is going to be some benefits from being there. You know, we're going to give you a 15% discount on the products that you purchase, which would be, you know, consumables, cameras, etc., etc. There's also a chance that you'll be able to go on the website. So you'll go on the website as an approved Parksafe installer. And lastly, you'll get the certification from the AVI and from Parksafe to say that you've been on the installer day. You know, where we give you good rates of pay for the installs and really give you the technical backup that you require. Lastly, there's a free lunch.
The first of these days will be hosted on the 30th of January at our Nottinghamshire-based head office. Don't worry if this is too far for you. We'll then be hosting further events across the country, starting with Carlisle on the 13th of February, Bristol on the 27th of February, and finally Chelmsford on the 13th of March. To register your interest, contact sales@parksafegroup.com. See you there.